Let's make some gluten-free hot cross buns. It's Althea from metmg.com, and today I'm bringing to you guys a recipe for my delicious gluten-free hot cross buns. We want to start by blooming the yeast in a little bit of sugar and warm water. Then we're going to get all of our dry ingredients together in a bowl, mixed together really well. Then we're going to start working on our wet ingredients. We're going to do some warm milk, an egg, some melted coconut oil or butter if you like, and that bloomed yeast from earlier. Mix all those together well, and then we're going to add the wet to the dry ingredients. We're also going to add some mixed fruit in there. I don't really like currants, and so I opted for mixed fruits instead of currants. Mix that together really well, and what you're going to be left with is a soft dough-like batter. Then you want to go ahead and put some coconut oil or some oil over that so it doesn't get crusted while it's resting. Rest it for an hour. Then shape your buns. I'm using a 1/2 cup dry measuring cup to shape my buns. Then I let those rest for another hour. Then I use my spatula to make a cross in the top and bake them at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Cross buns is always sweet and sticky, so I make a little glaze, brush that on, and we are done. For other delicious gluten-free recipes, please check out metmg.com. I've been gluten-free for 5 years, and I've been recreating all of my favorite Guyanese things. On there, you can find gluten-free roti, gluten-free sada roti, these gluten-free hot cross buns, and a number of other gluten-free recipes. Enjoy!